Hi, I'm Stacy Francis of Francis Financial. Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about tax loss harvesting, what it means, and why you need to know about it. 2022 tax loss harvesting is something that you may have heard about. And the reason why is that it's the perfect opportunity to actually go through your portfolio, do some tax loss harvesting, and save you some taxes down the line. So, let me explain what this really is. Well, first off, keep in mind that when you sell a stock for a gain or a bond, essentially you're going to owe capital gains taxes on that profit. And so when you're done at the end of the day, instead of selling it for $100, you are only going to pocket that $100 minus the taxes that you owe to Uncle Sam. Well, tax loss harvesting allows you to enjoy the benefits of that $100 without having to pay taxes on it. So you'll see that in your portfolio, all the asset classes, both bonds and stocks, are down for 2022. The market is definitely throwing us lemons this year. And so we're making sure that we can turn them into lemonades. And so what we've done is that we've sold some of your investments at a loss. We've realized those losses and we're using them to put in our pocket to offset gains when at a point we sell stocks or bonds that are at a profit. Essentially, saving you thousands, in some cases, tens of thousands of dollars in taxes. And let me give you an example of what this looks like, just an analogy. I love the theater. My favorite show is Hamilton. I went to go see that with my family back in November 2019 for Thanksgiving. We're actually in London, so it was very easy to get tickets during Thanksgiving. And imagine that you received a voucher, and that voucher allowed you to buy Hamilton tickets anytime you wanted for any date. But actually, guess what? They were going to be free. You wouldn't have to pay for them. That's essentially what tax loss harvesting is that you have a voucher that you can, you know, use at a future date to save and not have to pay taxes, similar to getting those free Hamilton tickets. I know that seems kind of simple, but I feel like it's a great way to explain why this is so important for you. Now, just because we're selling out of those investments at a loss doesn't mean that they're not still very savvy, good investments for your portfolio. So with smart tax loss harvesting, you don't keep the proceeds in cash for the long term, right? You get it back to work for you. And that's the other piece that's really important is getting back into the market as soon as possible and being able to have that money redeployed and working for you. So I hope that this explains a little bit more about why tax loss harvesting is so darn important. It definitely is a lot of work for us, for you, but as we know, every little bit counts. And most importantly, while your investment return matters, what's even more important is what your investment term return is that you can keep in your pocket even after paying taxes. And the good news is a lot more can stay in your pocket now. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to me, your financial advisors here at Francis Financial. We are here for you, thinking of you, and always want to chat. That's why we love our job so much. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.